everyone, it's your girl, Ashy, and let's be real, eyebrows can make or break your entire look. We're talking about the difference between on fleek and oh hell no. Today, we're diving into the top brow shaping mistakes you need to avoid to keep your brows looking fabulous. Trust me, we've all been there staring in the mirror like, what have I done? But fear not, because I'm here to save you from those brow disasters. Okay, picture this. You're on a roll, tweezers in hand, feeling like a sculpting goddess. But then, bam! You've gone too far and entered the danger zone of over-plucking. Girl, I've been there, staring at my reflection like, who is that? Over-plucking is a one-way ticket to Sparsville, and trust me, it's not a destination you want to visit. Those little hairs? They take their sweet time to grow back, and sometimes they just say peace out forever. So remember, less is always more when it comes to plucking. Channel your inner control freak and step away from the tweezers. Instead of going rogue, focus on plucking those stray hairs outside your natural brow line. Think of it like giving your brows a little trim, not a complete makeover. Your brows will thank you. We all have that one friend who rocks perfectly arched brows that could cut diamonds. And while they look amazing on her, trying to recreate them on your own face is like trying to fit a square peg in a round hole. It just ain't gonna work. Your natural brow shape is like your brow's fingerprint, totally unique and special. Trying to force a completely different shape on your brows is like trying to squeeze into those jeans you swore you'd fit into again one day. It's just not gonna be cute. Embrace the beauty of your natural brow shape, girl. Whether you've got straight brows, arched brows, or something in between, work with what your mama gave you. Trust me, your natural brows are already perfect for your face shape. Listen up, beauties, because this is important. Using the right tools for brow shaping is like having a magic wand for your face. First up, you need a good pair of tweezers. Those flimsy ones just won't cut it, literally. Invest in a pair that are sharp and precise, so you can grab those pesky strays with ease. Next, a brow brush is your new BFF. Use it to comb through your brows and see your natural shape before you even think about touching those tweezers. It's like giving your brows a little pep talk before the big game. And last but not least, you need a brow pencil that matches your hair color. This isn't the time to experiment with crazy colors, unless you're going for that whole clown look, which, hey, no judgment. Okay, raise your hand if you've ever had a long, unruly brow hair that just decided to do its own thing. Yeah, we've all been there. Those wild hairs can throw off your entire brow game, making them look messy and unkempt. Think of trimming your brow hairs like giving them a little haircut. Just like those split ends can make your hair look frizzy. Long brow hairs can make your brows look, well, a little cray-cray. Use a pair of small, sharp scissors, not those giant ones you use for paper, to carefully trim any hairs that are sticking out too far. And remember, a little trim goes a long way. Filling in your brows can be a total game changer, but going overboard with the brow pencil is a recipe for disaster. We're going for natural-looking fullness here, not drawn-on brows that scream I spent hours doing my makeup. Choosing a brow pencil that's too dark is like wearing foundation that's 5 shades too dark. It's just not a good look. Opt for a shade or two lighter than your natural brow color to create a softer, more natural look. And when you're filling them in, use light, feathery strokes instead of pressing down hard. You want to create the illusion of fuller brows, not draw on a pair of caterpillars. There you have it, gorgeous. Now you know the top brow shaping mistakes to avoid and how to keep your brows looking on point. Remember, your brows are sisters, not twins, so don't stress about making them perfectly identical. Just embrace your natural shape, use the right tools, and take it easy on the plucking and filling. And most importantly, have fun with it. Experiment, try new things, and find what works best for you. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. See you next time.